of the biggest obstacles me and you face as small YouTubers is just coming up with video ideas. And I don't just mean good video ideas, I mean video ideas in general. And it's very easy to understand if you want to grow any small YouTube channel, you got to be able to consistently upload. And in order to consistently upload, you got to be able to consistently come up with video ideas to upload. So in this video, I'll be going over the system that I use to consistently find video ideas that has allowed me to upload about 3 videos a week for 7 months straight. So when it comes to coming up with video ideas, the goal is very simple. You want to be able to sit down for 30 minutes and come up with at least 10 to 15 video ideas that you can shoot for the next week. That doesn't mean you got to shoot all 10 of them, but it at least gives you some ability to eliminate the ones that you don't think are going to work and experiment with new ones as well too. But the problem with that is, like, how do we sit and generate videos on demand just like that? Usually some of the best video ideas do tend to come from when you're taking a shit on the toilet. But I assure you it's kind of easy. It's really a 2-step process that I mainly use to help me always have video ideas on the fly. First step is, instead of thinking of video ideas, start thinking about video format. Video formats are just basically like the different type or kind of video structures they are. For example, let's take a look at MrBeast, which is probably the best example of this. So this video idea, this video idea, this video idea, and this video idea is the exact same video format. And you can tell just by the title alone, it being quite similar. Survive 30 days doing X and win a certain amount. So in this case, it's survive 30 days chained to a stranger and win 250,000. This one is survive 30 days on an island with your ex and win 250,000. This is literally the exact same video. I think this might just be like part 2 or something like that. This one, survive 30 days trapped in the sky and win 250,000. It's literally the exact same video format. All he's doing is just changing, I guess, the subject and topic of the video. Let's say you're an Ark Survival gamer and you upload videos on Ark Survival Evolved. I've been watching a lot of that content lately. In this case, it could be something like surviving 100 days in the hardest Ark Survival map ever. And then you could do the next one is surviving 30 days in this Ark Survival map, or surviving 30 days in that Ark Survival map. It's literally the same format. The only thing that is changing is the subject here. And like the same thing, right? So you'll see it all throughout MrBeast content as well too. Let's look at this one. 50 YouTube legends fight for $1 million. 50 streamers fight for 1 million. This is literally the exact same thing. Just one is YouTube legends, the other one is streamers. Notice how the subject has changed. When you learn to think of your video ideas in formats or types, you will have a much easier time of generating new ones. Now you may ask, well, wouldn't that get repetitive? What I've learned as a channel with 550 subscribers is that nobody watches your past videos. You don't really have dedicated fans that are like rewatching all of your content every single time. Like, they're not going through your entire history of videos and watching every single one back to back to back to back to back. Majority of the times they're watching 1 or 2 videos and just skipping on to the next. Leave your channel for a few months, come back and rewatch one of your videos. So they're not really gonna care. And especially if the video format is good, they'll actually kind of appreciate it. At least that's my opinion from a viewer point of view. So for example, for my channel, I have 3 main video formats that I kind of look to jump around between every now and then. And this gives me a good time to experiment as well too. The first one, of course, is experiments. And these are basically videos that are like, the first one is experiments. And experiments is kind of like, I try something to see if it gets me a better result. I try something completely different, completely new to me, and see if the subject helps me get better at, I don't know, the action. For example, this video right here, which is, I think, one of my top performers in my top 10, is I suck at day trading. So I tried 100 trades in 2 hours. This is basically a video of me trying backtesting to see if it actually helped me out. Backtesting is just kind of like taking all of your old tests and like redoing it to like get better at a certain subject. Anyway, that video did pretty well in my eyes, at least. My second video format is experience. So experience is just basically me trying something. Experimentations, there's a certain end goal that I'm trying to reach. Experience is just me trying something for the first time and documenting it. And last but not least is challenge. So challenge is just basically me trying to accomplish something. that is preferably hard. Anytime I need a video idea, I sit down, I write out these 3 things, and I just kind of brainstorm what videos would fall into this category. But the main question that I haven't answered yet is, how do you find video formats, especially as a small YouTuber? You either collect them / steal them from others, or you take the time to build your own. But I highly suggest, if you're a small YouTuber like me, you should definitely look to steal video formats that have been proven to work for others and look to adapt it to your own style, or in this case, niche. Steal, absorb, adapt. These are the 3 words that I'm literally living by for my YouTube channels, because I have 2 of them now, from now on moving forward. I'm done being original. There's this beautiful quote that I read from a book called Steal Like an Artist. Originality is just undetected plagiarism. So I'm going to give you a chance to practice this in real time. Look at these 3 video formats and steal them from me. And try and think of at least one video idea that is tailored to your niche that would fit in each one of these categories. And drop them in the comment section below. And then look at anyone else who has done this exercise and steal from them. But sometimes this doesn't always work. Sometimes you will literally just be staring at a blank screen with your video formats and you're just not getting anywhere. That's where part 2 of this system comes in, where you actually steal. Just come to your YouTube homepage like this and just look at it. You can literally just scroll down and see what videos are on your YouTube page and how you could tailor it to yours. So let's try this example. Me, I am a futures day trader making videos about trying to make money with futures prop firms. So with that being said, let's look at this. What's a good video that I can steal and kind of tie to myself? Well, immediately I just kind of looking at this one, right? Inside an 8-figure founder's office. Nice. How about this? Inside an unprofitable day trader's office. Notice what I did there. I just literally took the exact same title, which I'm pretty sure his video format is just him showing his office, which is cool. I'm gonna steal the video format or the structure of the video type, and literally I'm just gonna switch it to my own niche. So inside of an unprofitable day trader's office works perfectly fine. 8-figure founder is the subject here, and 8-figure being the adjective. So unprofitable would be the adjective and day trader would be the subject. If I got that wrong, I do apologize. I didn't pay that much attention in English class, and I'm definitely paying for it now in my adult life. So pay attention to English. Like this one, this is very easy. It's kind of low hanging fruit, right? How I made money from Instagram in 2026. How I made money from prop firms in 2026, right? If you don't know what prop firms is, I probably should have explained that. It's just basically like a company that lends you trading capital that you can use to get some profits from the market, essentially. So that's why like this one was kind of considered as low-hanging fruit. Now this video is very unaccessible, which means that a normal person definitely wouldn't understand what a moat is. But because I have a little experience with business, I understand what that is. So basically this video concept is software versus marketing. Where is a moat is basically like, what is your business unique angle? And in this case, I'm pretty sure the video is, where does most businesses' unique angle lies? Is it in software or is it in marketing? I think the answer to it is going to be marketing, just because it's highlighted in red. Low hanging fruit again, but this morning routine has made me X amount of money. Very low hanging fruit, right? And I could add with prop firms with that. Now this one's going to be a little bit harder. This is literally about a gaming video, ARC, right? And how would you tailor this one, right? How would you steal this? So example, I'm using my niche again. The video premise is how so I'm a solo player with a shit ton of hours in ARC, beats everybody in the server. ARC is a video game. It's a dinosaur video game on top of that. So if I wanted to steal this, I would kind of twist it like how an unprofitable trader with, maybe I could drop this, how an unprofitable trader makes X amount of money in 72 hours. So at the end of the day, it's a subject and he's trying something. So it's a subject that is faced with a challenge. This is a challenge video. So I can easily steal this and make it to my format. And of course, with time, you'll get a little bit better and more refined in your video ID. And do this for everything. Steal titles, steal thumbnails, steal video structures, steal video formats. Just don't copy and paste it. Copy it, tweak it a little bit, add your own spice to it, and then paste. And believe it or not, they have a saying for what I just explained. It's a very unique word called creativity.